Hello, everyone. Mr. Schultz here as we discuss what is a modern classroom. So, we're going to be jumping into using Modern Classroom for Integrated Math 3 and applications of Functions 1. So, a blended learning, self paced instruction, and standard based grading are all essential for a modern classroom. Dive into what is blended learning. So, blended learning is going to be a mixture of learning through different formats. One of the formats we're going to use is I'm going to create YouTube videos. As you can tell, I have most of my videos right here that are shown right here are under 10 minutes. There's a 12-minute and 22-second, and that's a little bit too long for me. So this year we're going to try to work on keeping those videos nice and short and concise so that you guys can watch it and then act on what you learn in those videos in class. We are going to be diving deeper into the content using those whiteboards as well as consolidating the information together. All right. The next part is a self-paced instruction. So I'm going to be presenting you a pacing guide for you that's going to describe, hey, here's what you must do, here's what you should do, and here's what you should aspire to do. So, for example, must do is, hey, you should do this now. You have to do this in order to be successful. Should do is if you need some additional supports and you're having trouble understanding it. And aspire to do is the last step of, hey man, I've done everything. I'm going to extend my learning. So, if at the end, when you try to master it and you just do the must do's, you can go back to do the should do's and aspire to do's to help you prepare for your mastery checks. So that's the last part of our modern classroom. What is it? Well, a modern classroom has standard based grading. In our standard based grading, we're going to have this 4-point rubric. This 4-point rubric is going to be used to determine have you mastered the content or not. So, for example, our idea of where we want to be is a 80%. So if we don't reach that threshold, you can try again. Just revise your work, review it, maybe talk with a partner or your group, communicate with me, or do a wide array of other activities. For example, you can go back and do your must do's. Well, no, your must do's are done, your should do's and aspire to do's. So that's the basic of a modern classroom. And I look forward to seeing you in class. Bye, everybody.